In today's video, I'm working on an HP EliteBook 840G3 that came in with a serious battery swelling issue. And I want to show you exactly what happens when a laptop battery starts expanding from the inside. At first glance, it looked like the laptop casing wasn't closing properly. The palm rest and the bottom cover had a visible gap, and the body seemed slightly lifted from one side. Many people mistake this for a broken hinge or a damaged frame. But in reality, one of the most common reasons behind this is a swollen lithium battery. As I began to inspect the device closely, I noticed that even a light press on the keyboard deck caused the body to shift slightly, which was a clear sign that pressure was building up from inside. So I decided to open the back cover to see what was going on. The moment I loosened the screws and gently lifted the back panel, it popped open with a sudden jerk, and that immediately confirmed my suspicion. The battery was extremely swollen, pushing the cover outward and putting pressure on the internal components. When I removed the screws holding the battery in place and lifted it carefully, it was obvious that both sides of the battery were bulging noticeably. This level of swelling is dangerous because it can bend the frame, damage the trackpad, push against the motherboard, and, in some cases, even rupture, which poses a fire risk. Swollen batteries usually happen when the battery cells degrade over time, overcharge, or face excessive heat. Many users continue using their laptops while the body slowly starts opening, not realizing that the battery is expanding inside. If you ever see the bottom cover separating, the keyboard lifting, or the touchpad sticking or popping up, don't ignore it. These are early warning signs that the battery is no longer safe. In this 840G3, the swelling had reached a point where keeping the battery inside could have caused permanent internal damage. So, the best solution, and the only safe solution, is to replace the battery as soon as possible with a new and original one. Continuing to use a swollen battery can damage the laptop beyond repair and can even be a safety hazard. After removing the swollen battery, I always advise my customers to avoid charging the laptop overnight, to keep it clean, and to make sure it stays cool during use. If you ever notice similar symptoms in your laptop, take action immediately. Safety is always more important than risking your device or your workspace. So remember, if your laptop casing starts opening or the body begins to bulge, check the battery and replace it without delay.